In light of Hasbro's recent windowless packaging, I'm going to do a bit of unboxing of this blind box Marvel Legends packaging, just in case I get another one, like this, missing paintwork on my VHS Wolverine, and also missing paintwork on my Japanese Spider-Man. Here's the new packaging for a 3-pack figure, 2-pack figure, and single-packed figure. All of them are the same height except that for the single-packed, we have the flap at the top. First up, Moonstone. Let's get her out. This new packaging is really a lot of paper, I guess. Let's see figure number 1. Okay, I think everything looks good. So far, so good. The face looks okay. Oh, there's a Thunderbolts logo at the back. And yeah, I think this figure looks fine. And here's the alternate hands. Better make sure it's 2 different hands and not the same side. Alright, it's fine. Next up, Silk and Doc Ock. I really find this piece of paper annoying. Oh, gotta be careful not to drop them. Here's Doc Ock. And why are the tentacles, 2 of them in a bag like this? And the other 2 is just without the bag. So inconsistent. Now let's check out Silk first. Alright, thankfully it looks kind of okay. The paintwork on the body looks fine. On the legs as well. How about the back? Oh, so bare. Decent paintwork on the face. And here's Doc Ock. Right, I think he looks fine. Thankfully. Here's the other pair of tentacles. Nothing much to it. And here's the bag of accessories. Let's see how they are. Alright, this hand looks fine. Here's the alternate head for Silk. Looks good. Alternate head for Doc Ock. Looks good too. And all the other alternate hands. I think everything is in order for this one. Last but not least, here's the Daredevil 3-pack. Let's get these figures out. Right, everything is in the cardboard tray for this one. Oh, look at that. Daredevil's batons. Bullseye stuff. And this must be Elektra's stuff. Oh, a bit heavy. And here are the 3 figures. All of them are like executed or something. Here's Elektra. Alright, I think all is in order. Okay, looks good. Next up, Daredevil. Why is the belt so high? That's better. Alright, I think everything is in order as well. And last one, Bullseye, which is kind of the most redundant one in this set, I feel, especially with the blue torso. The previous release definitely looks better. And anyways, this one looks fine as well. Maybe a bit of paint scratches at the Bullseye part over here. But yeah, I think other than that, it looks kind of okay. Now here's Elektra's accessories. Wow, this head is actually quite heavy. The hair is really a lot of sculpt. And here's the two daggers. Oh, this one is a bit bent out of shape, but no worries for that one. And the hands. I dropped the other hand. Here it is. Now for Bullseye. Alright, this one looks okay. Face looks good. And the alternate hands. And dagger. And finally, Daredevil's batons. Look at this wire thingy. Hey, there is sculpt to it. Not bad. Here's the other one. And the batons and the alternate hands. So here are the figures. Thankfully, everything is in order. No missing paintwork or any defects or the same side of hands or anything. Again, it's really like a blind box. You don't know what you're gonna get. Back when the packaging has the plastic window, at the very least, we can see if there's any visible defects on the figure. But now, it's really just down to luck, and for this time, luck is on my side. All my figures are okay. Thanks for watching. Best of luck to you guys when you buy Hasbro's windowless packaging figures, be it Lightning Collection, or Star Wars Black Series, or Marvel Legends, or the G.I. Joe figures. Do subscribe if you like my content, and I'll see you in the next video.